Welcome to MetaMask versus Exodus Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets by features, usability, security, and who they're best for, ensuring you have all the details to choose the right one. MetaMask is a widely used software wallet focused on the Ethereum ecosystem and compatible blockchains like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. It's available as a browser extension and a mobile app, making it ideal for users interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, NFTs, and DeFi protocols. Its user-friendly interface and integrated token swapping feature streamline transactions, while its Web3 connectivity empowers users to explore the broader crypto ecosystem. However, as a hot wallet, it stores private keys online, so its security is heavily dependent on how well users safeguard their credentials and avoid phishing attempts. Exodus Wallet, on the other hand, is a multi-currency software wallet known for its sleek, beginner-friendly design. It supports over 260 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more, making it suitable for users seeking diversity. Exodus is available on desktop, mobile, and even as a hardware wallet integration with Trezor, offering flexibility. It also features an integrated exchange for swapping assets directly within the wallet. While Exodus offers encrypted backups, it lacks some advanced security measures, such as multi-signature support, which may concern users storing significant amounts. When deciding between the two, MetaMask shines for active users who frequently interact with dApps, trade NFTs, and participate in DeFi. It's best suited for those already immersed in Ethereum-based ecosystems. Exodus, on the other hand, is a better choice for those seeking an all-in-one wallet with broad asset support, a polished interface, and straightforward functionality, particularly for beginners or those who prefer simplicity over specialized DeFi features. In conclusion, choose MetaMask for Web3 and DeFi engagement, and go for Exodus if you value multi-asset management and ease of use. Links are in the description. Try them out and let us know your pick in the comments below.